Just a quick test with a few bits and pieces I bought at Friedrichs Harbour. On the left you've got the vibrometer. It's like a magnet, and these things here are very slightly different lengths, and they're tuned to the frequency in hertz. So normally we want 50 hertz. Typically with generators they run a little bit faster. 3000 RPM on the engine speed gives you 50 hertz with a 4-pole alternator. They've got it set a little bit faster, probably about 51 hertz, something like that. 3150 RPM on the engine, so that when you bring it under load, it's giving you the nominal nominal frequency and voltage under sort of quarter load or something like that. So we'll tweak around, but the generator itself's got a frequency and voltage meter on it, but I wanted some big ones for the shack, and I picked these up at the Friedrichshafen ham radio flea market in Germany just recently. Just come back yesterday, and one of the easier things to test and check out. I'll check them out with a meter. Will look okay, so I'm gonna fire that up here. So I'm hoping the generator's not been run for a while, so it's probably going to be a bit lumpy. I'm hoping we're going to get around 240, 250 volts, something like that, on the voltage meter, and on the frequency meter, probably just over 50 hertz. Hopefully you'll still be able to hear once the generator is running. It's a 2.5 kilowatt homebrew generator, long run fuel tank, a Honda engine, and not too sure who makes the alternator, but it's given good for you as a trusty service. So I'll fire up, put it onto idle, and then I'll let it run for a minute or two just to warm up, and then I'll stick it on run speed, and should be able to see the voltage and current. So stand by a moment, I'll get that done. Righty-ho. Ignition on. Choke in for a moment or two. Start it. Okay, not too bad considering it hasn't run for about a month now. Started fairly easily. It's warm here, so the choke probably wasn't really necessary, but okay, let's give it a moment. I'm going to put it on to run speed. Okay. Seems to be working pretty well. It's at 50.5 hertz, 50.5 hertz, and the voltage is a little bit wobbly. The frequency is a little bit bouncy as well. As the engine warms up, it's missing a little bit. It's probably still cold. The crankcase is freezing, so hopefully as it warms up, it'll do that. But I'm in a domestic area, so I don't want to leave it running for too long. The neighbours will be complaining. So have a quick twiddle with the throttle, see what sort of points we can get it to look at, and then I'll shut it off. Just slowed the engine down quite a bit, just having a look at where it points to. Obviously the frequency is well off the screen now, so don't want to burn the coil out, so I'll shut it off. Back to idle.